Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Jenkins from Ubuntu VPS cleanly, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Jenkins from your Ubuntu VPS cleanly, start by logging into your server via SSH. Use the command ssh your username at your server IP to establish the connection. Once logged in, ensure you have the necessary permissions by becoming a super user. You can switch to super user by typing sudo su and entering your password. Next, you need to stop the Jenkins service if it is currently running. Execute the command sudo system_stop Jenkins. After stopping the service, it's time to remove the Jenkins package. Run the command sudo apt-get remove purge Jenkins to remove Jenkins completely. This command will also delete the configuration files associated with Jenkins. Now, to ensure all unused dependencies are removed, use the command sudo apt-get auto-remove. Following this, it's also a good idea to clean up any residual configuration files. You can do this by executing sudo apt-get auto-clean. Next, check if any Jenkins-related directories remain. Navigate to the Jenkins home directory, usually located at /var/lib/Jenkins. To remove this directory, use the command sudo rmrf/var/lib/Jenkins. You should also check for any related log files. These are typically found in /var/log/Jenkins. You can delete them using sudo rmrf/var/log/Jenkins. Finally, verify that Jenkins has been completely removed from your system. You can do this by running dpkg lgrep Jenkins. If there are no results, Jenkins has been successfully uninstalled from your Ubuntu VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.